Hello guys. Today we're gonna be reading the Secret of Rain. So yeah, it's episode 1 this time. And sorry for moving. I'm just moving on my bed. Do you want to see someone? Oh my god. Oh my god! I just saw my kitty. Look. Wait. I'm gonna be right here. Be right back. Kitty, come here. Come here. Oh my god, are you sleepy? Are you sleepy, my sleepy dog? So here's our kitty. She's the cutest kitty ever. But she's the rudest. Look at her. What are you doing? Eddie. Her name is Aria, and she's short. So let's go back to the story. I'm gonna sit beside my cat. No, sit down. Episode 1, A New Home. Okay. How you holding up back there, Rain? Come on, Rain. I know you just wear those headphones to prevent people from talking to you. You're not actually listening to any music, are you? You can hear everything I'm saying. Say nothing. I'm gonna say nothing. Boy, you sure can be difficult sometimes. You know that, Rain. If you know why I'm wearing these headphones, why aren't you respecting my wishes? Because it's antisocial and kinda rude. Don't you want to make a good impression this evening? Your new parents are probably waiting exactly to meet you. New parents? What? Their names are Belle and Carol, by the way. Oh my god, my kitty gotta go cute. Cool, that's it. Look, Darren, I'm not sure what you mean to say. You want me to say. There's just going to be... Sorry for that, guys. My cat is... Oh, I'm gonna beat her up. You're a little not good kitty. You're not a good kitty, are you? I'm gonna leave you alone, just stay. Okay, come back, guys. In a couple of years, it won't matter. I'm 17. I'm not a child anymore. When school is over, I'll get myself a job and rent my own apartment. I'll be done with this foster home Codswallop. Codswallop? It's my new favorite word. You really are one of a kind, Rain. They're called Rain, and I like that blue hair you have, but I really... Okay, this is it. We're here. Ah, Mr. and Mrs. Appleby. No, they're so ugly. I'm Darren Wixton from Fit on the Phone Care. We spoke to the phone a couple of times last week. It's very nice to meet you in person. It's very nice to meet you too, sir. Is she here? Is she here? I can't see her. Excuse my wife. Bluntness. We're just so excited to meet our new daughter, aren't we, honey? Oh, I'm so excited about to faint. Well, you needn't wait any longer, folks. Rain, come on. Get out of the car. Mr. and Mrs. Appleby, I would like to introduce you to your new daughter, Rain Riverton. So we were homeless. Hey. Whoa, that's some stringly blue hair you have, Rain. And the photo we're giving you had lovely brown hair. I'm going for an anime look. An animal look? What kind of animal? No, anime. An anime. You know, Sword Art Online, Attack on Titan. They don't know. Pokemon. Everyone knows Pokemon. You might as well be speaking Japanese. Oh my god. I can, if you want me to. Learned it from watching anime, actually. Arya!